Traders, it's 16 minutes past 11 a.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 2nd of October, and I wanted to update you on my cutthroat battle with dollar CAD. So let's go up into the time frame and kind of reassess what I was looking for, what was the level, and what happened. So I was looking at the break of this level, that 1.3530 area. I explained the reasons why I like this level a lot, and I was looking for that compressions of price on the lower time frame. And as we can see on the 4 hours, we broke above that level and we even closed above it. So if we'll take a look at what happened here on the 1 hour, we can see nice break, two candles try to hold above it, eventually pulling back. So far, it's a nice break and it's a pullback into that level for a potential continuation, which we had here. However, this thing got rejected pretty quickly. You can also see nice divergence coming here into the momentum indicators as we pushed higher. The thing is about this break, about this move, is that we also made a higher high. So it does show some intention from the buyer. However, not before they'll need to work out some heavy amount of sellers. So as we went along, we were actually going sideways here around the breakout level that was to the downside. So if I go back into the daily, we can see this breakout level that I mentioned on the fight card video, the area that once it broke, the seller were able to make a lower low. But it actually broke down and got stopped at strong demand level. So if we'll take a look at that demand level, say on the 4 hours, we can see we pushed from it to a high, pulled back straight into it again, and made a higher high. So in my view, there was still a lot of buyers sitting around this demand area. Now, as the time went and got closer into my Thursday night, you can see this does not look like an area that the buyers are about to win. So I was faced with two options around my Thursday night. Either tap out of this fight, take the defeat, and walk out, wait for another opportunity to strike back at this opponent, or go for a sudden death round, meaning that I need to alter my fight plan. Now, originally, my defense line was sitting just around here, the origin of the move that pushed to this higher high. But it became very clear that the sellers, and you can see that also with this workout of indecision candles around this area, that the buyers could not just ping that level around the 135.10, become quite clear that the seller are going to have another go. But in my view, this demand line was still strong buyers territory, and I didn't think that the sellers will be able to take it. So I had to decide, either tap out, walk away, take the defeat and move on, or stay in this fight but alter my fight plan and give myself a better chance of knocking out this opponent. So I've decided to go for the sudden death round, and then my defense line was sitting below this strong demand area. And this sort of decisions is something that a lot of fighters are facing. And this is where we draw on our fighting skills and fighting experience to make a decision. Not every fight is going to end up like this. Not every fight I'm going to decide to go for the sudden death round. It really depends on where the opponent sits and what the opponent is doing, and the reassessment in each and every round of the fight. So now that we have this beautiful super V here that went from a lower low into a higher high, we actually passed my points win area. So now I'm going to move my defense line again and protect the area around my points win. This was an epic battle. I am bruised. This was very painful to see, but I still got my fighting spirit on, and I am going for the knockout on this one. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.